Ibota o Etiesa TV kuyo Nasman de ha bokin o edo ya wabedona itu edo ya o edonro wat edonro resi wabedona o Mari na do togedo na do togebu wa ya bokin o abekun osa edona na we ni ma Tima Etiesa TV o karesi Nasman de ha o welele obokin o ikaniro wa anu evae tita ba wa mokun wa ti na ke ro na do de ba o welcome you all to Ibota Edo Moonlit Folklore gathering. Here we learn Edo language and we do Edo values also. Welcome everybody. Okay, we will pray to start. Okay, nehu na ya so o benira ke bo mo ke wo no ho Faro balon re yimi no yagbon ye yimi mapo won o odun no ri mo ma be si koko ma do to redo la ho ge mo nya ni ma ge ma ni ma o mi ma we we no ji ma we si ba na kan da yo bonado so na da wa ni Jesus Christ so ya we so edo na we na o white a more what a more munica monico what yard na do we do ma pa yan we do man any one we spoon be ka we ro no keke no we kate e mon ma die le ye ebuebo na ze dia ri oyin ayo ni abi aro e mi na tabo wa e mi na ta be de gbegbe ntamemo what yan do we money have call all the children to come and join in learning your language. Okay, I bring it out in English language. You translate it to Edo. Ye bookman where you do one or defio. I mean, I get you, I get yo. To my here when I'm a gear. Go yo. And I you. Not SK passion. Who go yo, book your whether gana ya okay gana ya imwela dia na kina gana amwela dia ma waye na 1 p.m. Central Time Wednesday and Friday you know this is the airing time Wednesday and Friday 1 p.m. Central Time that would be 2 p.m. Eastern Time that would be 11 a.m. Pacific Time. Okay. Then after that, anybody can go and watch it in YouTube. The videos are in YouTube. Anybody can watch it at your own time in YouTube. Okay. Okay, we are here now. Learn a new language. I am here. How do you write that in the door? I am here. Number one. Number two, see me. See me. When you call children, that's what they always tell you. See me. At your moment, see me. Number three, I have come. I have come. When you call your child to come, then you say you have come. How do you write that in the door? How do you say it in the door? Very simple. Very simple. I am here. See me. I have come. How do you write that in the door? 1, 2, 3. Write it differently. Going, okay. Going eba. Going eha. Going na. Going na. Going quick go, be quick go. Going, go. Very simple. Look at it. Very simple. Yeah. I am here. Ire mana. Ire emana. I am here. Re emana. See it? All right. Number two, see me. When you call your child, you say, see me. Give. Number two, give. When you call it mommy, when mommy comes, you tell you, give. See me. Give. All right. Other questions will follow soon. Okay. Number three, I have come. Edo. Irene. Irene, very simple. Huh? All right. Let's see those who got it. Okay. NK Passions. Oh, okay. We'll say Kakabo. Okay. Kakabo B is B-O. Kakabo B-O. Okay. Then SK Passion. Ireva. Okay. Ire. Mana. Ema. AVB. Oh. MW. Ire. Mana. MW. No. Okay. All right. Passion again. Game. Oh, obey. Huh? Game. Obey. Work before. Game. Oh, the big man. Ire. Okay. Ire. MW. I know. Chosa TV. Ire van. Okay, the same thing. It's Ire. Emi. Ani. Okay, you got it. Ire mana. Give. Obey. Chosa. Okay, I have come. Irene. Good. Irene. All right. You're all right. One of my grandfathers is called Irene. One of my grandfathers is called Irene. Dian Dega, no quite Irene. Bear, I don't know what Ruzebu. What the more who are me in easy malady. I know. Not money there. Obey. The butcher given again. Okay. Then passions. Obey. Not by there. Irene. Obey. Not by there. Ere ema. Okay. Ire ema. E for I. Ire ema. Okay. Well, that's good. But why you away now? I Akobani oh yeah man. Obi edo. Odan wani eri o. I don't know if you cannot. If you can't hear now, we in river. I don't know that's so. Eri no. Go. What do you want? Number one. What do you want? Right time, Edo. How do you write that, Edo? 2. What are you looking for? You see this you here? It's a typographical error. I left it out. Okay. What are you looking for? How do you write that, Nedo? How do you say that, Nedo? Number 3. Come and sit down. You know, when you call children, they're walking up and down, up and down, up and down. Then you tell them to come and sit down. Come and sit down, boy. Right time, Nedo. How do you say it, Nedo? Yeah? What do you want? What I ever do? How do you say it, Nedo? What are you looking for? How do you say it, Nedo? When you see your child looking for something, you say, what are you looking for? How do you tell him, Nedo? Come and sit down. When the child is still walking up and down, you say, come and sit down. How do you say that, Nedo? Yeah? Going again. Going eva. Ekeniro wa gbọ́n ni azedo ni ma bi ma edo ya wa ma modo edo ya wa ma modo wa ma modo eyin azebo obi ma supon abi azedo debo ma o ne do re wi o no ge do re wi o do ma mo edo down o. What do you want? Bata ebedo. What are you looking for? Bata ebedo. Come and sit down. Bata ebedo. Going or how? Going eva. Going ha. Hello. Going na. Oko. Tell me the usundo reading a book. Going na. Going san. Going. Hey. Go. Oko man. Nudo. Tell me everybody. What do you want? That's how I do. Wow. Yeah, no quite way. Wow. Cool. Look, Bogiva. What are you looking for? What do you want and what are you looking for? They are not the same. What are you looking for? Look at number 2. Wagwa lo. It's different from what do you want. When a child is looking for something, you say wagwa lo. Number 3, come and sit down. If your child is walking up and down, say come and sit down. Look at my money. How do you say it, Nedo? Lare do tuta. Lare do tuta. You know. I think the children will like that very much. Okay. I bay. Passion. Okay. Passion. Wagwalo. Okay. Waho no cow. Waho on the first one. Okay, look give a passion. Devin Guala. Okay, Devin Gualo. Wagwalo. Devin Gualo. Wagwalo. Okay. All right. Wagwalo. Then Larry Tota. Good. Come and sit down. Larry do Tota. Larry do Tota. Bay. This is brother Nussman, right? Nussman. Okay, we have that is good. Wagbalo, Lare, do total, Bay. The child soon the booking. Wow, Bay, Wagbalo, Bay, Lare, total, Bay. Wagbale, it's just a TV. Wagbalo, Bay, Wow, Enuka, Wahoo, Wagbalo, Bay. It's just a TV. Evi Galo, okay. Wagwalo, David Nugwalo, okay. Do Honu Benfo, David Nugwalo, do Tota, good. Bay. No total. All right. In the market, about good evening. Okay, to be even. Not man, ide. David, no gualo, bay. Do total, bay. Wagualo, bay. Wow, number one. Oh, look on row. Wow, wagualo. Wow, wagualo. Good. All right, we have in the market. Láàrin do total, bay or Agbesowa. Okay, why no cow? Wow, wagualo. Láàrin do total. All right. Body now, do. Body do. All right. Okay, now the thing be. Or the thing be. Okay, oh, the care, papi va. Mo do. When I catch you know, because I'm my banner. I'm my donor. Well, daddy is calling you. Why is because they like that, eh? Daddy is calling you. Why time do? Oh, mom is calling you. Mommy is calling you. What time do? Mommy is calling you. Number 3. Come here quickly. You know, your children, they like to tell other people, they like to command other people, eh? Come here quickly. So how do you say that to a child? How does somebody learn that? Come here quickly. You know, the child will come and take you by the hand. They say, come here quickly. Take you by the hand. So daddy is calling you. Right time, do. Mommy is calling you. Right time, do. Come here quickly. Right time, do. Oh, these are very simple, right? Going over, going over, going here, going in, you can know what they are. What banana, yeah. Going, sir, going, going, again, going, go. Daddy is calling you. Okay. Hey, Baba, Daddy is calling you. The word daddy is represented by Baba. The word father is era. If you say your father is calling you, era but this one is Baba. I mean, daddy, that's our father. Daddy is calling you. Hey, Baba, okay, mom is calling you. Mom is calling you. Iye you know. Then the child will say, come here quickly. Larry Gege. Larry Gege. Gege. Quickly. Larry Gege. Larry Gege. I bay. Oh. NK passion. Ibaba tie we tie we no okay NK passion like re RUE re baba tie we good passion iye tie we tie we iye tie we like iye tie we very good iye tie we no sa TV Ibaba tie we the same thing Ibaba tie re edo àti ẹ̀dẹ́dẹ́dọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ́ bọ̀gẹ́ ìgbọ̀n wẹ́ rúẹ́ ní bàbá tiẹ̀ wẹ̀ iye tiẹ̀ wẹ̀ the same thing iye tiẹ̀ wẹ̀ ọtí tiẹ̀ wẹ̀ dẹ́gẹ̀ láàrin ẹ̀zẹ̀gẹ̀ ọwọ́ ẹ̀zẹ̀gẹ̀ okay láàrin ẹ̀zẹ̀gẹ̀ láàrin ẹ̀gẹ̀gẹ̀ láàrin ẹ̀gẹ̀gẹ̀. I will tell Ezekiel. Oh, you are right. Let me put a Z there. Larry Ezekiel. Eddie and you do Ezekiel. Oh, Ezekiel. No, Ezekiel. Why come on, Mono William get over Ezekiel. Oh, Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Come on, man. No get with me. Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Zegie. Why you have a tie? Zewoge. Yeah, you go yoke anyway. Gege. Gege. Only my brain, Gege. Gege. Very good. Who am I? Tusa TV. In the man gift. Eh, Baba Tiewe. And the same thing, don't count as Baba Tiewe, no, re. Ahem. In the man gift. Iye Tiewe. The same thing. Okay. Larry Gege. Obey. Bonifua. Okay, Osunde. Baba Tiewe, same thing, the same problem. Baba Tiewe, Rue, R-O-U-E, Rue, Iye Tiewe, the same thing. We know. Iye Tiewe, Larry, we man Gege. Okay. Come here, TV. Larry, man Gege. Aguma die man ayo Larry Gege. Larry man Gege. That's the vernacular translation. Larry man Gege. Come here quickly. NK Passion. Larry Gege. Utayo be. Not my day. Era tiwe. Owera. Okay. If we had said father here, but we didn't say father, we said daddy. You see what I mean? Contemporary word daddy. And in a do contemporary word is baba. The baba to you only not my day. Okay. Zegielare, come quickly. Zegielare, that's good. I'll be back on my video. Zegielare, Zegielare. Okay. Iye R-O-U-E. Re, no. Not my dear. Tieru. Okay, Tieru. And I am no yet. Tieru. Okay, do what they go. What Yaku body we do. Yama. I'll be what we do. Oh, Pananko. The Gegia. Oh, send me. Every good wife to the bumper. Oh, Pananko. Hey. Am I making an idea what? Diga, would not say Nigeria, do Caracua, Mana do Badiowa. Madiowa and the Torrent Biman. Yeah, okay. Madiowa and the Torrent Biman. Mado Mao Yaman Biman. Mando ever can make it a quaggy. Mado Azad no one. How do I say no one? How do I win? Y'all get the good. Then I wouldn't, you know. I hear in winner. The Yogi Opé na monkey yima. To said my yagua. Edo. Very nice. Come right now. Number one. Come right now. That's how I ever do. Number two. Tell me the truth. When you call your child and you want your child to tell you something, you always tell the child, tell me the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth or tell me the truth. Okay? Then number three, you say, don't tell a lie or don't lie. Don't lie or don't tell a lie. You always tell your son or daughter, tell me the truth. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. Don't lie. Don't tell a lie. Those are the things you tell your children. When they come to you, say, come right now. Then the child, your boy or your girl will come right now. Then you say, tell me the truth. This and that. Tell me the truth. Tell the truth. Okay? Then they tell you warn the child not to tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. So how do you tell a child, Nedo? Don't tell a lie. Don't lie. Tell the truth. Do not lie. Go your wo. Huh? Go your van. Huh? Go your ha. Go come. I don't know. Go come. I don't know. Don't tell a lie. Huh? I have a do. Everybody should teach your children to tell the truth, right? We also teach them not to tell a lie. After maybe I do, I will my tell what. Then I get to Ohge. No, tell what. Okay, now tell what, Mama. I get here. Go your wo, go your va, go your ha, go your then, okay, Okiao, going, say, Okiao, hey, going, going, go. Come on, tell me, everybody. Come right away, come right now. Larry Bambana. Oh, yeah, I thought you. Bambana. Larry Bambana. Oh, you not your banana. Yeah, anyway, yeah. Larry Bambana. Look, tell me the truth. Oh, come on, Moon, you want to tell me what I'm on. Te emata, mame. Te emata, mame. I will marry your number. Te emata, mame. They are telling you and saying that I want to know the truth. Te emata, mame. Tell me the truth. That's what you tell your son or daughter, right? Number 3. Don't tell a lie. Get a ohge. Get a ohge. Ohge is lie. Don't tell a lie. Get your ohge. Get your ohge. Gladys and you know about aware. Okay. Come right now. Aware. You Ade Vabana. Ade Vabana. Okay. Larry Babana. Ade Babana. Come right away. Okay. Ade Babana. Then Tevanta. Okay. Tell the truth. Tevanta, mama. Tell me the truth. Or tell the truth. Tevanta. Vao Manta. Baniviedo. Wage Wakaboage. Manta. Me. MW. Manta. Good. All right. Then get to Ohge. Okay. Get to Ohge. Okay, that's beautiful. Osunde. Larry Bamba. Okay. Osunde. Sure. Me we Bamba na. We Bamba. Eni na we kota. Bamba. Otai Larry Bamba. Obey. Tamame Evanta mame. Good. Bay. Tamanta mame. Get to Ohge. Bay. Get to Ohge. You there? Larry Bamba now. Bay. Get to Ohge. Get to Ohge. Get to Ohge. Okay. Tamanta mame. Bay. Get to Ohge. Get to Ohge. Good. Bay. Etiosa TV. Larry one na. Etiosa we mobe latian o. Larry one na. Era no kwa. Obe ta video. Oye no kwa ota video one na. One na we bamba na opa no. One na ko ye no kwa we one na. Want okay, Temanta mama. Okay, tell us the truth. Temanta mama. Tell me the truth. We get to Ohge. We get to Ohge. You don't tell a lie. We get to Ohge. In the market. Larry Bamba now. There are 4 words there. Larry Bamba now. I've been so bad. Temanta mama. Temanta mama. I've been Hebrew language. Temanta mama. Okay. Where? Rogi. Rogi. Get to Ohge. Get to Ohge. Okay. Okay. Wow. Otobankwagbo. Akubodi biedo ya. Akubodi biedo ya. Onaira wa no kwa. Onaima no kwa. Onage kwa. Aya weso wani ona fo. Okay na. Na do tangbe boto. Won wa ya fe no re. Etani ware na wa bu. I teach you the fair the man give the tutor TV dans my day which I soon the glasses on agino I really baba but man ore na end case passion you am yo what's going on re na wa are be yo ke the man give over oh yeah wa ya are be yo wa we so one mama re na one wagwedo wawe mami se omonare wa di ma chesa TV yokare ide aya bokin so si ma ya ko iwe du adon ko wa ari ga na ya go salobo de Wednesday wa do de ba me ama ewe na ya de do ya fe ran wa do ya fe ri yo to Ogoma, ari atayi egoma agbayi edohia waga enegbima. They have a holding akarakwa. Abege de video. Bene di de he waga enegbima. Keep back iko irekoba, iko irebado, iko irekisi, iko irekia uhe, iko irekia yekorion, iko ireki yekovia. Wa ya fe keep back iko no rodo. Even a tiny woman, I do your congo. I guess you could not say, no, one igbima. No one igbima. No bima, the woman. The woman, I win, no woman, I woman. Oh, I do the echo. Manano, Salabon does it. I want him out when Jesus Christ. It's about a wine red. Well, I told you, I among my grandma, or your poem to give. About your boy fool. Ọba atọ ọpẹ iṣẹ ìwọ ọba atọ ọpẹ iṣẹ ọdọmọ wàhálà wọsí àwọn ẹgbàdo ọwọ babado ọwọ iyedo bye bye.